going on, guys? Blue Bay. Dang you, sorry my hair's a mess. I was just out shoveling, just shoveling a foot of snow. It's like outside. I just saw this after I took my sweatshirt and my boots and everything off. So, let's take adventure outside. I don't want to be out here. This is what my life is like right now. My poor chickens. Look at my poor chickens. They're snowed in. Like literally, there's nothing we can do. But this is not fun. I mean, day off of school is fun, but I started shoveling at like, what? I don't know when I started shoveling. Probably like 9:30 and like 11:30 and I just got that. Let's go out back and see what it looks like. Oh my. This is what my deck looks like right now. I started shoveling and I said, we don't need that. That stays. Real quick. How much snow that is? This from there? And that pile right there is from me shoveling from there all the way around this whole deck. I just finished shoveling and look at it. Look at what is left right now. And I just finished shoveling. That's another mound. But it's so beautiful though. Like, look at all that. This is gonna be like a blizzard vlog. Visibility is way down. There's like a convoy of plow people that come by and plow. Actually, maybe real quick I can get out onto the street and show you the mounds that have been created by the plows. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
She loves me. So this, we're gonna see if we can get to the street. Well, we obviously can, but hopefully no plow people come. And oh my God, shooting right into my face. This is not fun. Oh Jesus, all in my hair and everything. When we get to the street. All right. Those are the mounds created by them. This was a street. So, guys, I'm still alive. I almost slipped on that snow. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, Jesus, I feel like a model. Oh, it's all in my hair. Alright, so I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like a winter wonderland of snow. I might not have school tomorrow. I still don't know yet. So, peace, guys.